Unit 15. What a coincidence. Hey, Michelle. We're back.
Hey there.
Hi, Michelle. I forgot my phone.
I know. I kept it for you. Did you like the movie?
Oh, yeah, it was really funny.
I laughed a lot.
What movie was it?
It was called Fool School.
Oh,
It's a very nice theater upstairs.
Yeah, and it's really comfortable.
And Al ate a lot.
Well, the food there is really good.
oh, excuse me. Hello? Oh, okay. Sure. See you soon. Bye-bye. That was my friend. She's coming soon.
Where is she now?
Upstairs.
Upstairs? We were just upstairs.
The theater is upstairs.
You know, I can't wait to go back and visit that snack bar there.
Here's my friend.
Juanita?
Hello, Al. Hey, Bob.
You know each other?
I've known Juanita for a long time.
And I met Juanita just today.
You're kidding. Juanita is my roommate.
Yeah, we're roommates.
What a coincidence.
Yeah, that's quite a coincidence.
Hey! We should all go out sometime. It could be fun.
That sounds like a great idea.
Why don't we have dinner or something?
Sounds great.
Okay.
Sorry. Not tonight. I am too tired.
Well, how about later in the week?
Perfect.
Did you like the movie? What movie was it? That was my friend. She's coming soon.
Where is she now?
I've known Juanita for a long time.
You're kidding. Juanita is my roommate.
What a coincidence.
We should all go out sometime. It could be fun.